Hi everyone, Sherry here. Today I'll be doing another unboxing. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Vancasso 6-piece mini pie plate set. So let's check it out. I love Vancasso. They are so sturdy and so beautiful, and they always package them well. Make sure that they don't break in transit, and I'm sure this will be the same. Air pockets, and another box that says Vancasso. So let's open up this box. And inside this box, we have styrofoam. Like I said, they package these really well so they won't break in transit. So here they are. They're the same beautiful blue color as my ramekins and my cereal bowls. Pretty soon my whole kitchen is going to be this color. I just love this color. It is just gorgeous. And just like all of their products, they have the Vancasso stamped on the bottom so you know it's theirs, it's the real deal. These are a cute little size, single serving. It's just me and my husband living here, and we can't eat a whole pie. So we can just make a single pie for each of us, and that would be perfect. And he can have a pecan pie, and I can have a pumpkin pie. And that's perfect, because in that way we're not wasting 2 whole pies. It's also good for portion control. If you're trying to cut back on sweets, this way if you make a single pie, you won't be tempted to eat the rest of the pie. What a great idea. And you don't have to make just pies. Besides pies, you can make quiches, you can make pot pies, anything that your imagination can make up. You can use them for condiment bowls, so when you're baking, you can put your chocolate chips in there or whatever. So it doesn't have to be used for cooking, although that's what I'm going to use it for. These are made of high-grade ceramic. What does that mean? It means that they are scratch resistant. They don't absorb odors. They are very sturdy. They are dishwasher safe. They are microwavable and oven safe. There's no fading or discoloration, which means that years from now they'll look as beautiful as they do today. They also have one of the most popular glazes on them. This is called the Starry Reactive Glaze. It is truly unique. They are similar in how they look, but each one is a little bit different. That happens in the firing process. They used to think that this was a big mistake, but like me, they are unique. I love these. Each one is a little bit different. Another nice feature that these mini pie plates have is that they are stackable. So they'll take up less space in your cupboard. Not only will they take up less space, but they'll look good in your cupboard as well. So these are a really nice size. So let's measure them. The top from outer edge across is about 5.5 inches. But you need to know more what the inside is, and that is almost 4. The depth is about 1.5 on the outside and about 1 on the inside. So this is a perfect size for a single portion control dish. So I do plan on making 2 different types of pies and a pot pie in these. So I'm going to go ahead and head to the kitchen, have some fun, and I'll see you at the table setting. So here are my Vancasso mini pie pans. And as you can see, you can use them for several different things. We have a mini pumpkin pie, we have a coconut custard pie, and we have a chili pot pie. This is Sherry from Cooking with Sherry, and we'll see you next time. Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.